avoid. But at March 23rd, we see another turning point appear. So means tell us this is the bottom. This is the bottom. So not only for Asia market, but also for US market is applicable for both US and the Asia market. So if we can really catch bottom at March 23rd around, so you see afterwards, this whole year rising 10 months already, very big profit, especially for the US market. The three indexes all hit history new high and continue hit new high. For Asia market, all have some kind of rising. So this is very good for us to take profit, the turning point. This is 2021 January. Recently, we see since January 20th, we see the market not rise as fast as before, as it's very slow already. And this week, the market all pull back, have some kind of pullback. So we see the turning point is very important for us. You see the mark here, the diamond means the solar term turning point. The star means solar term turning point. TP is the shortcut for turning point, for the delayed turning point. And this icon means the Fibonacci turning point. And like the sun, this one is a spiral calendar turning point. So this is the different ways to predict the market turning point. This is also the technology. We can know for the index, for the individual share, when will be the next turning point. So for this calendar, we just mind for any date, if marked with some symbols, it means the turning point. The market direction or the speed will change. So we should pay close eyes on our Homilychart and follow the movement closely. This is January. And here is February. February Chinese New Year is February 12th. So here we see Happy Chinese New Year to everyone here attending our class, to all the friends. And these few days we may not have a class. So Friday, Saturday, and also maybe we can check the schedule. Every Monday we will give update the next week courses arrangement, so we can check and follow the class arrangement. And February 3rd, Wednesday and Thursday will be the turning point, the solar term turning point, and also the spiral calendar turning point. So these two turning points appear together. So means the market direction or speed will change again. We focus on our Homilychart to see whether the speed or direction and how it changes. Okay, but the next turning point is February 18. That is Thursday, February 18. So this two date is very important for us. We just follow our software signal, and then we can know. See, if the big money flow in, and then it's a very good chance for us to catch bottom, to buy low, as all the chances is being in the downtrend drop. The market have some correction, have some pullback. Whenever the correction and the pullback finish, it will be our another chance. Okay, but if the market continue rising, we should mind the risk, the potential risk. As the market continue rising, is the accumulation of the risks. Okay, so usually after some big rise, we will have some correction, and when the correction finish, it will continue again. So for members or Homily members, if you still not get the stock market calendar, the turning point calendar, please contact our customer service hotline 98367638. This is the customer service hotline. You can contact this number to get the 2021 stock market turning point calendar. For new friends, if you are the first time to attend Homilychart webinar, you can also contact this number, or you contact the teachers who invite you attend the Zoom class directly. Also can get this calendar, this free one for us to learn and to monitor, to follow the market turning point. Okay, so this is a bonus for all of us. Chinese New Year gift. Okay, so this is the turning point we said is the February 3rd and February 18th. We should mind these 2 days and follow our software to know whether the direction or the speed it will change. And now we see for stock profits. All friends, today we do the stock market. We want to get profits, get a lot of profits from the stock market. But generally speaking, we have 2 ways. One way is speculation, and another way is investment. So you see, you are suitable for which way. So which way is better for you? Some people do the speculation very good, and 1 year they only do 1 time or 2 times, but every time 100%, even 1000% profit is enough. But for most of us, this speculation is not suitable, as we are not so familiar with the pattern, and our self-discipline or our knowledge not enough. So most of us, we better follow the rational investment, the rational stock investment. So these 2 ways have different strategies, have different patterns. And for this way, for speculation, it's non-rational at all. So means most likely it will not follow the stock market rules. So we see Homilychart, we 22 years teaching, we are not the direct creator of the wealth, but we are the discoverer of the stock market rules. The stock market rules we can learn, we can use, and we just repeat to Ctrl C, Ctrl V to repeat, and then we can get stable and sustainable and also safe profit. So this is the investment way for most of us, as it is rational, and it is can repeat. We just repeat this pattern, and then for any market, for bullish, bearish, we can all get profits, no problem. Okay, so speculation are better for short term, maybe a few days, a few hours, take the profits enough already. But for investment, you must know the best way to accumulate our wealth in stock investment is to the wave trading, or we can also call the mid-long-term trading, mid-long-term investment, not buy, sell. For any good, strong stocks, if you buy, sell, never make big money and only some pocket money, profit money. Okay, so this is the 2 different ways and the period. First, we see some hot sectors. Recently, we heard a lot of the Wall Street bets, this kind of shares. First one, we see the WSB Concept shares. This one is the GameStop. So for this one, we see recently it's crazy. We can use this word, crazy, and only a few days it rise 1000%. But this can safe or not, rational or not, we can repeat or not. So these are all questions for us. I know for some Homely members, they do short term, say the market close right, the price rocket up, morning, go to rocket to the moon, the price rocket up, so they buy, and then a few minutes later they sell. So this way get hundreds and thousands dollars is very easy, and it's okay, nearly no risk, as it's very hard. So we see if we do the want to do the stock profits, we get the profits in stock market. One way is we must do the strong sectors, the hot sectors. As for the banker, for the institutional money, for the big fish, they always like the hot spots, hot sectors. and only this way the price will have big move and then we have big profits. Okay, so recently 18.5 is big rising, break up this platform break up and began to shoot up. 80, 100, 200, 300, the high is more than 480, yeah? More than 480, the highest price. But yesterday close is 3 to 5. So for this kind of share, as this is the battle between the retail investor and the Wall Street. So how to say, if you want to get in, you want to participate this big rise and also big drop, you can use the capital you can control and set the right decision, the cannot full decision, position. So set the right position and use the money you can control and set stop loss properly. So we just follow the short term, the minute chart, a few minutes, 1 day, 2 days, whenever it cannot hit new high. So like this, every day hit new high. So it's okay, we can have to do, but once the price cannot hit new high or the price break down the low of previous candlestick, it's time to act already, as it's non-rational. It's like gamble. As the Wall Street bets, all the retail investors, they not believe in rational investment. They not believe in the value investment. So they just gambling, just do the speculation. They are all speculators. So this kind of share is very risky, not so stable, not so safe. So if we really want to do it, but it's really very hard and also very easy to make money. So if we want to try, use the just mind the capital, your position, and also your stop loss. Okay, so this is all the WSB concept shares, like the AMC for the film, the entertainment, also the same. If interested, you can use your Homilychart. You just key in and you monitor the pattern, you monitor the price movement. So if you think it's okay for you, then a few minutes, 1 to 2 days, you can consider to try. But if you think it's unacceptable for you, so we just let it go, just ignore. We just focus on our blue chips, the big technology sectors, the EV sectors. We just focus on this kind of sectors. It's much more stable and safe. Okay, so this is the one of the WSB concept. We take another, for example, this is AMC entertainment, AMC. So previously it's just correction and sideways in this pattern, in these two pink lines. But once break up, you see how crazy, $4.75, and then shoot up to $20, more than $20, and then pull back to $13. So for this kind, also like the gambling, the speculation, so we can make some money, yes, right? But it's also very risky. But how if once hot trading, you cannot buy, also cannot sell? Okay, so this kind of share is more risky than us. Even it's very hot whole week, in the past few weeks, past 1 week, 2 weeks, this kind of share very hot, this concept. Okay, so if you're interested, you can take a look, but for most of us, it's not our disease. Okay, and then another is the glove shares. Glove shares, weather can follow, but the probability is not so high as the Malaysian market, different from US market. But this kind of share, this few days also have some moving the glove shares. So this is Singapore top glove. From this chart we see 44 cents, it rise to more than $3, more than $3, also 100% profits last year. All the healthcare shares makes many millionaire, billionaire last year as all rising 100%, 1000%. But since August 2020, since August till now, it's just sideways at the high level. Just sideways. You see the WBS, the concept shares mostly is at the low level. But this top graph, the healthcare shares last year rise too much. Recently, most at the high level. So for this kind of share, we just see if the level, the resistance cannot break up, we can only buy low, sell high to the short-term trading. No big chance yet until the previous high, the resistance testing many times or fail. So if this 3.1 can effectively break up, so means the close price can stand above this level for 3 days or 3%. So means this breakup is effective and then we can consider. But if not, no big chance yet. So the support level, resistance level, if this resistance break up, it will be the new support and then testing another resistance. So that's the moving inside this 3 level until choose direction. Once break down, game over. Once break up, may have another chance, but still early to see. Okay. This is the Homilychart top graph with nearly the same pattern. Even yesterday, both gap up, and the healthcare shares nearly all have some kind of rising, but currently the first resistance level seems not effective break up. See, hit the intraday high, hit the resistance level, pull back. So the first resistance, the second resistance, we just see whether can break up or not. $1.30 rise to $9.40 and also 100%, even 1000%. But the $9.44, this high testing 3 times all fail. So if this level cannot break up, we can only consider the short-term trading. Buy low, sell high to the short-term trading. No big chance yet. And also the same, once this level, support level, $5.57 break down, so means game over, it may turn to bearish down. But if $9.48 break up, and then maybe another wave rising. So currently, just in the correction period, sideways, no big move yet. Okay, so all the hot sectors we can consider as it's very easy to make money. So another one is Bitcoin concept. That we see yesterday, the Bitcoin one day rising 6,000, very crazy. Also big rise, big drop. So for this kind of pattern, you just ask your heart is strong enough, can control this kind of share or not. Regarding the Bitcoin concept, we can consider all this, as all these concepts have something to do with the Bitcoins. We take the RIOT for example. This is RIOT. You see, last year March, and also at the bottom of the market, it's only 51 cents. 51 cents till now, 10 months. It's already $20 already. So you start to see how much profit can get. 1000%, right? 1000%. And even we add position or we enter last year October, it's around $2.60. Now already 1000%. Only 3 months. So this is the crazy profits of the hot sectors, of the hot spots, hot individual shares. But this year, 2021, not finished yet. For Bitcoin, this year, it most likely it will continue. So all these Bitcoin concept individual shares, you can add in your watch list to monitor, but we must follow the software. Later we will give us a pattern to follow to do the rational investment. And we have 3 steps to go, 1, 2, 3. You just follow, and then your profits will be no problem. Okay, so this is one example, RIOT. We see another example is BLOK. Also March, last year March is only $12 and October $24, 100%, and now it's 38. The high price is 41. So you see, for another 50%, 50%. So for this kind of share, every time the short-term pullback finish, the sideways correction finish, it all will continue hit new high and continue rising. So the year 2021, Bitcoin will be our sectors to monitor, except the EV sector, the semiconductor sector. Also, Bitcoin is our choice. So this is the hot sectors we see. So for this one, we can consider wave trading, as it's not like 1 day 100%, 10 day 1000%, not like this. So this is stable and relative safe for us to monitor. So for this pattern, we can use the pattern later we learn to do the wave trading, but we also must mind our position control and the stop loss, must set stop loss. You see, every one of us, we have different level to the price pullback. So according to your own need, you just set the right stop loss and then follow properly. Okay. So here is the Homilychart 22 years investment philosophy. For new friends, you can write down these 3 sentences. The first one, index first, stock next. So means we must look at the index and then we look at the individual share. As 80% of individual share, it will follow index movement. Just like recently, all the indexes are nearly pull back. So most individual shares also pull back. And a lot of investors worry very much about the market, whether it will correction or not, or after small correction, it will continue bullish rising or not. So this is the index first, stock next. The second philosophy is long-term first, short-term next. But this one have a premise, so we must choose the right shares to consider. Once we choose rightly, see the company is a very good company. It have its intrinsic value to do the investment. And from technical analysis chart, is also very beautiful. So for this kind of share, we can consider the mid-long-term investment first, rather than buy, sell, trade very frequently. Okay. Second philosophy. The third one is operate the familiar. Operate the familiar means for some specific stock pattern, for some stock market, you familiar or not. If yes, then you just do, it's okay. But if not, you need to consider. Okay. So this is our investment philosophy. Then we look at the index movement, so you will know very clearly how the market moves now. This one is Dow Jones. Dow Jones we see in the past 1 week, more than 1 week, 6 days already. 6 days already. Just Thursday have some rebound, but Friday, yesterday, big drop again. So currently, the price break down the last yellow line, but not effectively. Yesterday, the close is 29982. The last yellow line, our resistance level, no, this is a previous high. So for Dow Jones, now it's pull back, the green lifeline breakdown, the yellow line breakdown. Now it testing the previous high resistance. Previous high is nearly around this level, 29568. So if can stand above this level and the big money flow in again, also the candlestick have green rising, bullish candlestick, and then it may have another wave rising. But if the previous high, this level 29568, this level break down, and then it will testing the blue line or the white line, just like previous last year, 2020 July, pull back to the white line, got support rise again. pull back to the white line, got support, rise again. So for long-term investment, currently the blue line, the white line all turn up, very bullish up. So means the big trend still bullish. The big trend still bullish rising. The market still bull. This year is ox year. The market is bullish, but this correction above the yellow line is very safe. Above green line, no problem. Green line is a lifeline, but currently the green line break down, the yellow line break down. So means this correction, this pullback will be bigger and longer. So we just say February 3rd, February 18th, next month, the two turning point. See, if can around this level got support, still no problem. Will be our another chance to enter to consider again, as after the correction, all the risks released already. Okay, but master got support. See, if break down, then no good. This is SPX. Currently, the green line breakdown. So Wednesday testing the green lifeline, and the Thursday green lifeline effective, so rise again. But Friday breakdown. Now, the last yellow line support is around 3,700. The last blue line support is around 3,500. The last white line support is around 3,350. So this one will be our level. Also, like previously, it may pull back to the blue line is acceptable, but as long as the blue line, the white line, even the yellow line all turn up, the big trend still bullish. So we can take as a short-term pullback first. Okay. Here is Nasdaq. Nasdaq just testing the green lifeline, stronger and stronger. So this is the most strong one in the three indexes. For Dow Jones break down yellow line already, and SPX break down green line already, but Nasdaq still got support at the green lifeline. So if price above the green line, it still got life, and also for mid-term, long-term bullish up. So for this one, we mind the first support level, 12,665. Second support level is the blue line, and the third support level, last one, also the most important one. So if price above this yellow line, currently we only take as a short-term pullback first. Different individual share, we have specific trading ways. We can take risk position. We can also after first wait for next chance. Once correction finish, we enter again. But once breakdown, we just wait and see. Okay, so we have two ways to do. Let me see the Asian market. For Singapore market, this is the STI. The most important resistance around 3,000, hit the level pullback again, but 2,900 still got support. So yesterday the close price is 2,902, just above this level a bit. So if 2,900 breakdown, it will testing the 2,800, the support level. Also just a sideways here, and the lower all the rainbow lines will be support, but above the most important resistance 3,000 still not break up yet. In our previous class, we see for Singapore market, the first half year, it will go to 3240. So not rise every day. It's a pullback, small pullback, big rise. So this kind of correction is acceptable. If stop, drop, and we have green candlestick and also the money flow in, it will be our another chance. Okay, so just like STI, the STI have correction nearly 2 weeks already. So the DBS, OCBC, UOB, all the blue chips pull back. So now it's still not time to catch bottom yet. We just wait for the money flow in. now is not time to catch bottom. As continue drop, the price continue drop. Never try to catch the falling knife. It will be very easy to get hurt. Okay. This is the Malaysian market. Malaysian market dropped months already. Dropped months already. So we see have some rebound, hit the previous high resistance 1695, cannot break up, it pull back, and the first support 1616 fail. Now testing next support 1565. If the blue line support also fail, and then it will go to the 1540, the rainbow white line, the last support. But for KLCI, the most important support level is 1460. And we also tell January for January end for Malaysian market, it will have a very big turning point. So we just focus for any market, it cannot continue rising every day and also cannot continue drop every day. So after some rise, it will pull back. After some rise, it will rest. But after the rest enough, the correction finish, it will another wave rise again. So we just mind the support and the resisting level just to see how far it will go. This one is the Hong Kong market. Hong Kong market. Before, this is February. Let me check January. I check my calendar. Before January 26, January 25, Hong Kong market is very hot as the money continue flowing. 1 day, 1 week is much more than the last few years average. So very hot, the big money continue flowing, so the price continue hit new high. The previous high all very easy to break up until got this level. So this level has is the gap and also previous high resistance 29965. Hit the resistance, cannot break up and then pull back. The previous high support 29085 fail, and then now testing this support 28100. So if price stand above this level, we can wait here just to see whether can stop drop. If can, we can consider another wave rising, but if cannot, the next yellow line, next support is yellow line, the last line is around 27313. So for this market, big rise, also very big drop. So that's the reason why most Hong Kong shares also have some kind of pullback these few days. We just monitor, must follow the software. So if the price break down the low of previous candlestick, we can consider take profits. We can take risk position. Once break down the green lifeline, we can out first, wait for next chance. But the big trend, the yellow line, blue line, white line, all thing up, and also the same, the big trend still bullish rising. For China mainland share, the Shanghai index, very interesting. This level so 3455, once this resistance break up, it will be support. And yesterday close is 3483. So the support level is 3455. So if this level support effective and the money flow in again, it should be our another chance to consider. Now just wait and see. We can take risk position. We can take profit first, no problem, as the market in correction. But the big trend, yellow line, blue line, even white line, all turn up. So the mid long term still bullish market. So the question is, now we see all the market in short term correction, the mid long term is okay, but for us, for the individual shares, how every one of us will do the rational investment. So here give us 3 steps to monitor, to make the analysis and make a decision. First one, we take the trend, as the trend is the most important for technical analysis. Second, we check the money flow, as the money flow is the power of the price movement. Third step, we check the signal, see we have buy point or not. If no buy signal, we just wait and see. Must be patient, okay? Not very eager to catch bottom. So if the price continue drop, if no signal appear, we just wait and see. Step by step, we make analysis and make a decision. So for trend, you just see, if you do long term or mid term, you can follow the primary trend, follow the white line, follow the blue line, follow the yellow line, even follow the green lifeline, all okay. So we just see which period suitable for you. For the primary trend, we usually check the white line. The rainbow white line can tell us the market is bull or bear, bullish or bearish. This is the primary trend. Usually will last more than 1 year, and also the best time, the best period for us to make money. Just like last year, many people see the US market too high already. The bubble may burst. But you see this year, continue bullish rising. And now still got a lot of people see the market is very risky. And it may crash. But the thing is, it continue hit new high. After correction, it may go back to the original trend as the primary trend is bullish up. Once the trend confirmed, it will be not so easy to change the direction. Okay. And the second trend is 3 weeks to a few months, just like the correction in the bullish market or the rebound in the bearish market. For wave trading, this is the best. So we can maximize our profits for the wave trading. For minor trend, usually it's 6 to 10 days. It's very difficult to make big money, but if we want to make some small money, also no problem. 6 to 10 days, we just follow the signal. So let's see one by one. Follow trend, we have a very powerful Homily feature indicator for us to follow. So this is a Homily rainbow based on moving average, but also combined with volume, time, and space together to tell us the trend, the primary trend is bullish or bearish. The secondary trend is up or down. Even the short-term trend, we have chance or not. So you see, if we do long-term investment, we just follow the white line or the blue line. If we are wave trading, we follow the yellow line or green lifeline. If we are short-term trading, we follow the red line. Break up the red line by, once break down the red line, it's time to sell. So different period, you just follow different color lines. It will be very easy. Yeah? So now you know, once the trend confirmed, it will be not so easy to change trend. Just like if the white line turn down, it will have some rebound. And this rebound we also can consider. But if the white line turn down, means the big trend is bearish down. So after rebound finish, it will drop again and it will continue drop. So this kind of share is weak. We better not touch, or we only use small money to do the rebound. And this kind of share, it will be our pattern. So if we buy long, if we want make sustainable and safe profits, this is our first choice. We only focus on this pattern. This pattern is a strong bullish shares pattern. The price, the candlestick above all the rainbow lines, no risk at all. As below all the rainbow line, the banker cost line, long-term, mid-term, short-term, all will be our support. The trend okay, and also the big fish here. Later we will learn this indicator. The big fish here, the red bar more than 50%. So if this pattern meet, so means this is a strong share, and we can enter whenever signal appear. So this is one indicator for us to follow the banker, follow the big fish. Most of us, we are retail investor. Retail investor, we cannot get the first-hand infos, and also we don't know how the banker moves. So this indicator can help us to follow the banker, follow the big fish properly. The red bar means institutional money, profit chips. The yellow bar is hot money like the fund manager, the floating chips. The green bar is retail money like you, me, most of us, we are locked chips. So this indicator can help us to follow big fish. If for any share, most parties the green bar is a retail investor, the price will continue drop. If most parties the yellow bar, the hot money play, the price will sideways. No big rise, also no big drop. But for any share, if most parties red bar, it will continue rising. Just like from trend, it is the uptrend. So the price will continue hit new high. The correction is acceptable. But if it's a downtrend, so means never to catch the falling knife. Nobody knows how low it will go. I come Singapore is in the year 2009, and many old members, we know each other more than 11 years already. So you see, the share you hold for 10 years, but the price continue drop 10 years. So this is the downtrend. And the sideways means the price just move in certain level. We can consider buy low, sell high at the box, but no big money until the price can break up this platform and then have more space to go. Okay. So if trend is okay, if money flow is okay, the last step is we to check the signal. See, this is the red white circle, one of Homily feature indicator. Usually we see the first red circle, it can tell us now it's time to catch bottom, now it's time to buy. So you can consider, yeah, we buy here, and afterwards it's a red circle. Red circle means support, so means it continue rising until the circle turn to white. Circle turn to white, so means now it's time to take profit, or it's time to decrease position, or it's time to out first. So you see, for Singapore market, 1 week ago, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. This Monday, 1 week ago, give us first white circle. So means for most blue chips, for the ETF, it will have bigger and longer correction. As the white circle, it will be our resistance. Even have some small rebound, but doesn't work. No much meaning. As the white circle, short-term resistance continue. Okay, so we make a quick conclusion for the pattern we learned just now. If we are short-term trading 6 to 10 days or a few weeks, if we are short-term trading, if we can meet this trade, it will be our buy point. The first one, the price didn't hit new low, and also we have the bullish candlestick. The second one, the MACD red bar break up purple line. Purple line means the moving average of the big fish. So if the red bar can break up purple line, means the big money flow in again. The third is the first red circle. First red circle give us a signal. So if we can meet this trade, we can consider to buy, to enter. But when price break down the low of previous candlestick, or when the circle turn to white, it's time to sell for short term. For mid long term investment, our buy point should meet this trade. First one, the price stand above all the rainbow lines. Second one, the big money, the red bar more than 50%. So means the banker build the position already. It can control this share. The third step, also first red circle, it's time to buy. But when price, we mean the close price. When close price break down the last yellow rainbow lines, it's time to sell, to take profit. Okay, so this is the strategies for short-term trading and for mid-long-term investment, different patterns. So we see the strong individual shares pattern, all like this. This one is Thai beverage. Yesterday, the STI big drop and pull back 1 week already, but we see the individual share continue hit new high, continue rising. First from trend, the yellow line, blue line, red line, or white line all turn up. So it means the short term, mid term, long term all bullish up. And we see here more than 50% is red bar. Also the red bar above purple line. So means the big money continue flow in. And then we take the signal. First red circle is here. We enter around 75, 70, 74 cents, 70 cents. And yesterday is 82.5 cents. So this is our profits this week and continue. We never turn to white circle, short term can take profit, but for mid long term, we follow the green lifeline, we follow the yellow line, okay, for the big wave trading. So you see every wave, we follow first red circle, first white circle, the profits all no problem. This one is iFast. iFast, very strong share and continue. Yesterday, STI big drop, but this share big rise. Also, previous few days, the price have some sideways and pullback, but pullback to the red circle got support, and then the red bar break up purple line, the big money flowing, so the price have power to continue hit new high, continue rise. The trend all uptrend, short-term, mid-term, long-term, all uptrend. The money flow, red bar more than 50%, more than 75%, the red bar above purple line, and also purple line thing up. Signal, the first red circle here is only $3. Yesterday is $5.51. So you see, in Homely members, if we have this Homilychart, you just filter uptrend and also the first red circle. This is very important. You can also use first red circle only, but must check the trend and the money flow. If trend okay, money flow okay, then you just follow. Will be very safe and very easy. This one is one of the Hong Kong share, the same pattern. All rainbow lines turn up, the red bar above 50%. The first red circle we enter is only $5.50. Yesterday, $6, $7.68. So this is the pattern. Small pullback is okay. If hit the red circle got support, it will continue again. The red bar break up purple line. The red bar continue rising. So means the big money continue flowing. Okay, so now is our time to do the stock diagnosis. If for the new friends, all members, we can use our Homilychart to check these 3 indicators. For new friends, then we just post your stock name or code number with your entry price, and also tell me you do short term or mid long term. We use Homely software to do the stock diagnosis together. So we check your share have big fish or not, it's bullish or bearish. Okay. So now I log in with Zoom with my mobile, my handphone. Oh, seems cannot see. I check here. Check here better. AEM, okay. First one AEM, TELL. Okay, good. So we see first one. First one we check AEM. AEM is one of Singapore technology shares. AEM, Venture, all this kind of. See AEM, Nanofilm, all the technology shares, technology sectors. We use 2 windows. First, we take the Homilychart rainbow. Homilychart rainbow, you see, this is a Homilychart rainbow, the price movement, big rise, pull back to the rainbow, the correction finish, another wave again. So this is the general trend. For this share, 4 cents, can you imagine? From 4 cents, 2016 January, 4 cents, it rise to $4. This one is 10,000% profits already, right? 4 cents to $4. So why it can continue hit new high? Why it can continue rising? So you see the white line, the white line never turn down. The white lines always turn up. So means the trend, the primary trend is bullish rising. Is bullish rising. For this kind of share, the best way to do is not a daily chart, it's a weekly chart. So you see, for weekly chart, IPO 4 cents till now $4. You never sell, you just hold, as it's a very strong share. So strong share, we better use a weekly chart to follow in case you sell wrongly. Okay. Then we go back to the daily chart to make the analysis. This is the support level. So you see the support level is around $3.20, but the resistance level is $4. Some correction finish, the big fish come. Recently, we see the big fish come, and also we call out our signal. The trend, no problem. Short-term, mid-term, long-term, all up. The big fish is okay. The first signal, it will be our another chance to buy. So here the price is around $3.40. $3.40. So this wave, it rise to $4, 20% profits. Then Thursday, the first white circle. So means we can, for short-term, if we are short-term trading, we can take profits already. Take profits, and also we see here the red bar break down purple line. If the red bar break up purple line, it will be very good buy signal. But if the red bar break down purple line, so means now the big fish a bit flowing out. So the price will continue sideways here until the red bar break up purple line again. For short term, yesterday we can take profits. We learned already, like this kind, if the share continue hit new high, never stop, continue hit new high, once the price cannot hit new high or the close price break down the low of previous candlestick, it's time to take profit ready. Then this still gap down, but the intraday high is $4.11. $4.11 still below the low of yesterday, $4.16. So it's time to sell to take profit. And the NAV is a white circle. White circle means it got resistance. It will continue pull back. So we just see the green lifeline will be support effective or not, or the last red line. The last red line is around $3.89. The green line is around $3.80. So these two levels, if support effective, it only minor correction, it will rise again after correction finish, but must break up $4.20, then it have a new high. So if $4.20 cannot break up, it will continue pull back again. So this is for short-term trading. For mid-long-term investment, the price is still above yellow line, blue line, white line. So for long-term investment, still can hold, no problem. So this is the EM. Then we look at the TELL. TELL, one of member only a few days, make a few thousands. This week, very easy to do. See, for this one, the white line still turn down. So means the big trend is still bearish. We can only do the short-term and the mid-term, no long-term chance yet. So this wave we can take as dark horse point. Dark horse point. Now is dark horse rest. Dark horse rest. See, if the candlestick, the price pull back to the red line or pull back to the white line, the white line is $2.15, can get support and then it may rise again. That will be dark horse speed, the third wave. But if break down, it will need longer time to finish the correction. So for this one, we follow the red circle. We buy here, sell here, make money. Buy here, sell here, make money. Buy here, $1.28. We sell here, also make money. So you see, this day now is January 26th. January 26th, the close price break down the low of yesterday candlestick. We can take profits already. Close is $3.50. Yesterday low is $3.57. Breakdown already. So means this day 26 we can consider take profits ready Tuesday. And the Wednesday gap down white circle we also can take profit. After that we just wait and see. Whenever the red bar break up purple line, just like here, whenever the red bar break up purple line, also the circle turn to red circle, it will be our another buy point. If white circle continue, even have 1 day, 2 day rise, rebound, we just wait and see, no big rise, as the white circle will be resistant. Okay, so this is the TELL. Next one, Syntel. Syntel, the white line turning down. You see my example in class is this one. $3.50. $3.50. Breakdown is $3.30. Have some pullback, rebound finish, pullback again, rebound, hit the yellow line, drop, hit the white line, drop, hit the white line, drop again. So it's very clear the white line still turning down. The white line turning down means the big trend still bearish down. So we can only do the short-term trading. The first red circle we buy here $2. First white circle we sell $2.40. So here we got 50%. Got 20% profits. When the white circle correction finish, the first red circle here we enter is around $2.30. Hit the white line resistance $2.50, cannot break up, it's time to out. 20 cents, 20%, 10%, only small profits, as the big trend, the primary trend is bearish down. So we can only have the few weeks, a few days, the short-term and the mid-term rebound. So this all called rebound, the secondary trend. And now for the rebound finish, hit the white line, cannot break up, and the white circle, $2.46 is another sell point. So for this one, currently it will continue drop. But if the candlestick too far away from the white circle, it will have some kind of rebound. But rebound finish, pull back again. Rebound finish, pull back again. You see the money. The red bar continues smaller and smaller. The purple line turning down, the big money flowing out. So the last support, the blue line last support is $2.31. $2.31. So if this level break down, it will bearish down again. $2.31. See the support effective or not? Okay. We see next one. This is Intel. Next one is OPTT, buy 4.5, sell at what price? You do short term or mid long term? OPTT. Ocean Power Technology. See, this is the pattern of this share from IPO, and then bearish down, bearish down, bearish down. Every time short-term rebound finish, pull back again. Short-term rebound finish, pull back again. Short-term rebound finish, pull back again. So for this one, I must be very quick. Currently, for short-term, whenever the price not hit new high, can after ready. But for mid-term, above yellow line, all can hold. So this is also another pattern. Yeah? You see short-term, mid-term, long-term, all the rainbow lines converge together. The price stand above this level. $1, we can consider to build the mid-long-term investment position. $1, now it's $4, 400% profits already. But for this kind of share, every time the pattern like this, every time you just see how it moves. So you see, big rise, big drop, big rise, big drop, big rise again, pull back, big rise, pull back. So every share have its own pattern. We just find the pattern and then to monitor. So this kind of big rise, no need worry. See, this 1 week, boom, 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 boom. Drop, drop, drop every day, but no need worry, as the pattern is like this, big rise, big drop, big rise, big drop. So for short term, every time the price hit to the rainbow lines and have green candle, hit to the rainbow lines, have green candle, hit to the rainbow lines, have green candle, hit to the rainbow lines, have green candle, you can consider to buy. So this is the short-term buy point. As it rise very quickly, we never cannot hit new high. It's time to take profit. See, 3 days only, 183%. See, 4 days only, 63%. And 4 days only, 65%. So big rise, big drop. This is the pattern. And we just use this one for example. We use the last one for example. Previously, also the same. If at the high level have very longer upper shadow, it's time to take profit, as the shadow means turning. The intraday shoot very high but close pullback, so means the price rise, no power already. So you no need wait for the next few days. So at the highest level, we can consider after already. Every high level can, the same pattern. So this is the life code for this share. Every time very longer shadow, the price didn't hit new high, we can act already. See, if you wait also okay. If the day the close price break down the low of previous candle, also can act. So this is for short term. For short term, if we are long term investment, the yellow line will be our holding level. So means if the price above the yellow line, we just hold. And see, 1 week already dropped. Whenever we have the green candle and also the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, it will be our another chance to enter. Follow here. The money flow very important. Money flow is the power of the price movement. So if you want to buy, you just wait here. Whenever the red bar break up purple line, the price hit the rainbow line, stop drop, and also get green bullish candlestick, and then you can buy again. For short term, at the high upper shadow can take profit. For mid long term, above the yellow line, all can hold. OPTT, we look at another one. OPTT. Members, we use the Homilychart to do analysis, okay? Or after class, you can contact the customer service hotline. And we see another tool for new friends as they don't have the chart yet. So we see this one, SOL, SOL very strong, very bullish. SOL, we look at this one first. SOL, the members very smart, very easy to do. If you learn this pattern and then you just open your Homilychart to do the analysis step by step, it will be very easy. So this is the Solaris SOL, nearly the same pattern as just enough we analyzed. So this dark horse point, dark horse rest, dark horse speed. So also very regular. If very regular, it will be very easy to do. One wave, we can follow the circle, and also we can monitor the share itself use. The red bar break up purple line, and then red bar break up purple line, it's time to consider to enter. See here is above the yellow line, above the blue line, or here stand above all the rainbow lines. So all this will be our buy point. Buy point. For short term, also the same. Once the price didn't hit new high, this one give us chance to go on, give us chance to take profit. So you see, previously, continue hit new high, and every day hit new high, right? Every day hit new high. The green candle, so 9 days, 39.4% profits, and then this day, if 3 days cannot hit new high, so means enough the price no power to rise. And also we see the red bar, the big fish not support the price rising. So at this level, we can consider take profit. We buy is $6.90. We sell is $9.70, more than $3 each share. Then it will pull back. But whenever the red bar break up purple line and got green candle, here got green candle, the price break up, here we can consider to buy around $8.05, and then see 1 day, okay, it's okay, another day hit new high, but 1 day, 2 day not hit new high, right? So $8.50 we buy, and then $10.70 around, or $10.50 around we can sell already. So this wave, but one share, $2. You buy 10 lots, 2,000, 20,000 after get already in your pocket. So very easy and very strong. The trend, the primary trend is it's still bullish rising, and also big fish here. So for this kind, you can do with trading. Enough is pullback is okay. We just wait for whenever the red bar break up purple line, or here we got the bullish candlestick, green candlestick, it will be our another chance to buy back again. And then if it didn't hit new high for 2 days, 3 days, it's time to take profit. Okay. So this is for short term. If we are mid long term investment, we just follow the yellow line. Whenever the pullback finish, correction finish, the price stand above all the rainbow lines with green candle, it will be our another buy point. As long as the price above the yellow line, we just hold. Okay, so the trend is okay, and money flow also okay. Big rise, big drop, also the same pattern. So for short term trading better, with trading also can. Then we look at the last one. Last one. That's enough. Thank you so much for type your shares here. Members, we follow our Homilychart to make analysis first, and after the class, you can contact the customer service to check with teacher if you're not confirmed with your analysis. Okay, so for new friends, short term, just follow the way the red bar break up purple line, short term buy. Whenever the price didn't hit new high for 2 days, take profits. Okay, so this one, okay, we check the last one, Osinas SCIB, SCIB. SCIP don't have it. We check OCNAS. OCNAS is very regular. Even it's a penny stock, but you see members. I know many members from this share make more than 400 profits already. So this level, the price stand above all the rainbow lines. Also the big fish here, you see how much? It's 0.004. And here, after correction finish, yellow line turn up again. Here the price is 0.008. Now you see the price how much? Yesterday close is 0.05. So more than 400% already. Many members have, but still can hold. You know why? Currently, we see the circle, still red circle. The rainbow, short-term, mid-term, long-term, all up. The big fish, more than 75%. Even have some short-term correction, short-term pullback. It doesn't matter. No need worry. So for this share, every year middle, year end, it will be the best time to rise, as many people to buy the products OCNAS. So every year end, it will be our chance to monitor. So this is based on the season. So every year end, it will be a big chance to rise. So here the first red circle 0.01, white circle 0.029, so nearly 300%. Here the first red circle 0.025, now it's 0.05, 200%. So for this kind of share, if half can still hold, but whenever the circle turn to white, you can take profit. How beautiful. You can take picture. This can take picture. You can find the same pattern. Just choose the same pattern to do. Short-term, mid-term, long-term, all rising. More than 75% big fish here. So the first red circle can buy. Whenever turn to white circle, can take profit for short-term. And for mid-long term, we can follow the green lifeline. If price above a green lifeline, we can just hold. We never break down the green lifeline. It's time to take profits ready. Okay, so this is the OCNAS. For other friends, your shares, we no time to do the diagnosis. You can contact our customer service hotline or contact the teachers who invite you attend the Zoom webinar directly for the stock diagnosis. Okay, so now we continue. And the thing is, we have so many shares in the stock market, but how to do the filter? We use the technology, use the software to help us. So we just click here, the market and the language, then we choose the market. See, you do the US, you do the Asia, you just choose the specific market. So the filter sector will appear. Then we click the technical filter. You just click the program. We choose the first red circle. We choose the short-term, mid-term, long-term, all rising. We choose the big fish flow in, all kind. So we use the software, use the technology to help us save time, save energy, and to times our profits safely. So this is the success formula in stock investment. If we want to make the safe and sustainable profits, we must have knowledge. We must have the right tools. And also, we must have the good mindset. So these three together can help us to success in the stock investment. So Homilychart here, we have the analysis system. We can know the share is bull or bear, have big fish or not, have buy point or not. We can do the scanning, do the filter. We also have the standard system. We have different template, different strategy to follow for short term, with trading and long term. And then we can do the statistics. We can do the predict, the next turning point, the next support and resistance. So all here will help us get the knowledge the mindset, and then we will be the 10% in the stock market to really make money. Okay, so this is today the pattern we learned. We only choose the hot spots, the strong shares with big fish, with big money flow in. And for new friends, Homilychart 22 years already, since 1998 in China, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Canada, Thailand, Vietnam, South Korea, we all have the local centers. So this is the best home for you to learn technical analysis and to learn how to make rational decision, how to times our profits sustainably and safely. So in the past 22 years, we only do two things. The first one is the training for the basic, the middle one, the advanced one, the practical one, all the courses, and another is software. So if you look for software, Homilychart is the best for you. If you look for courses, Homilychart is the best for you. Knowledge, tools, and mindset all here for you. It's very easy to learn, very friendly to use, and with higher accuracy. And once we learn, it will be lifelong benefit. See, even we only have thousands to do the investment, also you deserve it, as this is specially designed for retail investors. Even we have 3,000, 100% is 6,000, another 100% is 12,000. So you just accumulate your wealth based on this pattern, as this pattern can repeat. So the accuracy is not 100%, it's more than 87.4, enough already for retail investors, for us to do the investment. So we follow the Homilychart, follow the philosophy. The market good, we can earn more. The market not good, see, if the market bearish down, we can lose less and never be locked here. So if we have our capital safe, then next round, the market chance come again, we will have the chance to accumulate 2 times our capital again. So this is the accuracy. Here is our package for you. For technical analysis and the software uses, it's all lifelong learning. So you always have the newest version of a Homily software. The update and the maintain all free, lifelong learning. Even the global index and the individual shares all have the professional books, and you can also book one-to-one learning. Camp Center, Singapore have 3 centers at City Hall, Bishan, and Jurong East. Also can online learning. So this is the package. Here is the courses, the basic one, middle one, advanced one, the software uses. The software good, but you don't know how to use, also no use. So we will guarantee to teach you how to use the software properly, how to understand the chart properly. So the software courses, the technical analysis courses, the government rewards in the past 11 years for our training in Singapore. So the lifelong package here and the basic package here, you can choose according to your own need. And today our sharing will be finished here. Every day is a new beginning. Every learning is a new start. So best wishes and happy Chinese New Year for every one of us. Homilychart will always be here for you. So today our class will finish here, and see you next time. Have a nice weekend. Goodbye.
Okay, thank you, Cherry, for your wonderful lecture. Now, please allow me to introduce our product again. We have lifelong training for either package for software service terms. You can choose package A, standard package. The price is $2,980 before GST. Software have 6 months free data. Plan B is VIP package. worth $6,660 before GST. This package software lifelong free data. Both package you can get newest version of Homilychart software. You can choose either Southeast Asia market or North American market. You can also get software upgrade and maintenance all free. You can get lifelong free training course covering basic, medium, and advanced level TA knowledge and software application skills. You also can get online and offline learning platform. For new members, you can get one-to-one special course for at least 3 times. You also can get a set of user guide all in one total written by Holy Master. So any question, now you can type at the chat room, then we will answer your question. Or otherwise, you can call our hotline 9836-7638. Today our course is going to finish. Thank you for attending the course and see you next time.
Denise T.